Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine. So, children, why you are not watching the video? Yes, can you tell me why you are not taking seriously of this subject? Not only GK, also you are not watching life skill, computer, handwriting. Please, children, you have to watch all the videos what the teachers are sharing and giving. Don't take lightly to them. Okay, so this is a new chapter, India superlatives. In this chapter we will learn longest, biggest, largest, shortest, and so on. Clear? So what do you understand with this word superlatives? Superlatives, this is degree of comparison. Yes, we have learned 3 degree of comparison in 4th standard. Have you remembered? How many of you have remembered this thing? Positive, comparative, and superlative. These are 3 degree of comparison. So here when we use this word superlatives, before it we have to use the article in it. Okay? Yeah, we have to use the article in it, and we have to use est at the last of the word as in adjectives. Clear? As here you can see, the last is, it is mentioned est in the what it is adjective. Shortest, biggest, largest, longest, highest. These are the adjectives. These words are called adjectives, yes. High, long, short, tall, old. Okay, slow, these all are adjectives, so we have to use est in it. Where we have to double that also I have taught you in a previous class. In your previous class I taught each and everything clearly in English. So here I am not taking much time. Let's proceed to our chapter. India superlative. First it is given, which is the biggest stadium? Children, what is the name of our biggest stadium? Because we are going to learn about our India's places, okay, and things. So the biggest stadium is Salt Lake Stadium. Where it is? Where is biggest stadium in India? We can say biggest stadium is in Kolkata. Okay. Yes. Fastest train. Which is the fastest train? So children, Gatiman Express runs 160 kilometers per hour from New Delhi to Agra. This is fastest train in India. The name of this train is Gatiman Express. Got it? And it runs 160 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the speed. This is the speed of this train. Generally all the trains runs as 100, 110 or 120 kilometers per hour, but this train is the fastest train in India. It runs 160 kilometers per hour from New Delhi to Agra. Now, which is the highest battlefield in India? Which is the highest battlefield? The highest battlefield is Siachen Glacier, and its area is 5753 meters above sea level. Sea level से कितना ऊंचा है? 5753 meter far away, or we can say above from the sea level. Now, which is the highest dam? The highest dam name is Tehri Dam, and it's a 260.5 meter. Where it is? It is in Uttarakhand. So highest dam is in Uttarakhand, and the name of the highest dam is Tehri Dam. Clear? Yes, you have to learn all the names and places which is given here. Okay. Now highest gateway. Which is the highest gateway? The highest gateway name is Buland Darwaza, and it is in Agra. Buland Darwaza height, we can say it's 54 meter. Okay, because highest, so we have to count the height only. 54 meter, it's a height of Buland Darwaza. Now largest dome is Gol Gumbaz. Its height is 51 meter and diameter is 44 meter. Where it is? Largest dome is in Karnataka. Children, do you know diameter? Yes, this you have learnt in mathematics. So here we are learning all the subjects. Now, largest Gurudwara. This also you have learnt in SST. Yes, monuments and historical places. In it, you have learnt this Golden Temple. Golden Temple is the largest Gurudwara is in India. Where it is? It is in Amritsar. How many of you visited these places, children? If you have visited some of the places from this chapter, means let me know the answer after watching the video in the comment box. You have to write your answers in the comment box. How many of you have visited these places? Okay. Now, largest mosque. Largest mosque is Taj ul Masjid. Taj ul Masjid is in Bhopal. So it is very near from our city. Yes or no? Bhopal, all know very well, this is our capital. Bhopal is the capital of MP. Yes? Yes. You have learnt in SST. Yes, children? Okay. Now, largest museum. Which is the largest museum? So, largest museum, here it is given, Indian Museum is the largest museum in Kolkata. Longest dam. Children, do you remember largest dam? Where it is and which it is? Which one is the longest dam? How many of you learned this name in SST? Yes, social studies. Have you learned this longest dam? Yes, this is Hirakund Dam. Is in Odisha. Its area is 4.8 kilometers. Yes, and also other dams, you know, they produce electricity. Yes, so this dam also produce electricity for everyone. Longest dam is Hirakund Dam. It is in Odisha. And do you know what is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar. Yes. So please, children, you have to learn all the things. Now, the next is longest highway. Longest highway is NH7. NH means National Highway. National Highway 7 is the longest highway of India, and its area is 2,369 kilometers from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. It goes from Varanasi to Kanyakumari, and this is our longest highway. NH7 is the longest highway of India. Longest railway platform. Which is the longest platform? Railway platform. The name of the longest railway platform is Gorakhpur Railway Station, and the area is 1.35 kilometer. Children, why I am reading like that? Because when we read after point, means we have to read it separately. Okay, how many the things whatever the mention in the book itself, you have to read like that. 1.35, not 35. You will not say 35, it is wrong. You have to read, always you have to read after point and decimal one by one, means separately you have to learn read the digits. Clear? Yes. So the Gorakhpur railway station is the longest railway platform, is in Uttar Pradesh. Clear? Yes. Next is longest railway channel. How many of you have observed while passing through the channel and going somewhere? How many of you know about the tunnel? Tunnel means सुरंग. जब हम कहीं ट्रेन से जाते हैं तो जब एरिया बहुत बड़ा होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस वाला होता है, तो वहाँ हमें डिफरेंट टनल्स मिलते हैं ना, जहाँ डार्कनेस होता है, राइट? दिस अ टनल मीन्स सुरंग, है ना? सो नाउ पीर पंजल टनल इज द longest tunnel in India, and its area is 11.215 kilometer. 11.215 kilometers. It is from Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Yes. Before 2 years only, Mr. Narendra Modi inaugurated. Do you know? Have you remembered? Okay. So this is the longest railway channel. Longest sea beach. Which is the longest sea beach? Many of you have heard this name, Marina Beach. Yes, this beach is the longest beach in India and its area is 13 kilometers, means very large area it is, longest we can say, and it is in Chennai. Clear? Okay. Now, which is the oldest church? Which is the oldest church? It is St. Thomas Syro Malabar Catholic Church is in Kerala. So, oldest church name is St. Thomas Syro Malabar Catholic Church and this church is in Kerala. Clear? Okay. Now, the states which are given here, you have to learn their capitals also. Children, you have to learn all the things from the chapter itself. Okay, now oldest observatory. Oldest observatory is Jantar Mantar. It is in Delhi. Also, one Jantar Mantar is in Jaipur. So here it is the oldest observatory. Okay, that was maybe it will be new. So here it is given oldest observatory. The name of this oldest observatory is Jantar Mantar, and this is in Delhi. So children, hope it would be helpful for you, and you have to learn all the things which is covered in this chapter. Clear? Okay. Bye bye. Take care and watch the video and share and like it. Okay. Take care. Thank you.